Curious about how to become a certified beauty therapist? Or looking to start a side hustle that gives you the freedom to be your own boss? Well, you're in the right place. Whether it's skincare, makeup artistry, or spa treatments, the world of beauty therapy is filled with exciting opportunities. From creating glowing skin to delivering relaxing spa treatments, beauty therapists have the chance to make people feel confident and happy every single day. But how do you actually start this journey? Here are some top tips that can help you become a certified beauty therapist and turn your passion into a rewarding career. First things first, it's important to choose your specialty. The beauty industry is massive, and there are so many exciting areas to explore. You might love skincare, makeup artistry, spa treatments, or even advanced options like laser therapies. Take your time in choosing your specialty because the area you choose will shape your entire career. Ask yourself, what excites me the most? What do I enjoy doing the most? Your passion will guide you. Once you've figured out your focus, you'll be ready to move on to the next big step. Next, you'll need to enroll in a beauty therapy course. This step is one of the most important in the journey to becoming a certified beauty therapist. A good training program doesn't just teach practical techniques, it also covers the science behind skincare, hygiene standards, and professional ethics. The best advice? Choose courses that are recognized by trusted industry organizations. This ensures quality training and better career opportunities. Plus, many courses offer hands-on practice, so you'll finish with real skills and the confidence to start your career. Once you've completed your training or course, it's time to gain real work experience. This is where everything you've learned truly comes to life. Whether it's through internships, volunteering at a salon, or assisting an experienced beauty therapist, hands-on practice is incredibly valuable. Learning in class is great, but working with real clients takes your skills to the next level. You'll learn how to communicate with clients, handle different skin types, and manage your time effectively. Plus, every moment spent in a real work setting boosts your confidence and prepares you for the beauty industry. Remember, every little experience matters. Another important step is to build a portfolio. Start by taking clear, high-quality photos of your treatments, whether it's a glowing facial result, flawless makeup, or a perfectly relaxing spa setup. What's more, show a variety of work in your portfolio to highlight your skills. Include photos of facials, makeup looks, nail art, or even before and after transformations. And here's the best part, social media platforms like Instagram act as digital portfolios where you can easily share your work and reach a wider audience. The beauty industry is always evolving, so staying updated with trends is a key to staying competitive. Follow beauty influencers, read industry magazines, and attend workshops or webinars to learn about new treatments, products, and techniques. This will not only keep your skills fresh but also allow you to offer the latest services to your clients, making you stand out in the market. By following these steps, you can turn your passion for beauty therapy into a rewarding career. Ready to start your journey as a certified beauty therapist? Enroll now in our CPD-accredited courses and take the first step toward building a successful and fulfilling career in the beauty industry.